So let me show you how to edit styles. So let's go over to Merchandise Inventory. Let's pick a style here. All right, here's a good one, this Air Jordan 8. So let me go ahead and change a style definition field. Right now, our style definition includes department code, vendor code, and just description 1. So I'm going to change one of those fields. So I'm going to change this one from 8 to 8x. Now to save, I can press the Save button, or I can just click away. And notice what comes up. Because I'm editing a style definition field, Retail Pro needs to know if I want to apply that change across the entire style, right? Because remember, every member of a given style must have the same style definition. Or if I just want to edit the given item, in which case Retail Pro will need to break the style. So for this first example, let's edit the entire style. So I'll just say style, and automatically all members of that style get updated. So let's do another example here. Let's take this item here. So this time, let's again edit a style definition field. So like description 1. So I'm going to call this silverware 123X, and I'm going to click away to save. I get the same prompt, right? But this time I'm going to select item, meaning that I only want this one item within this style to be modified. I get a second window saying, okay, if you want to edit just this one member of the style, do you want to break the style? Do you want to remove the item from the style? So if I select break style, notice what it does. You can sort of visually see this, that if I select silverware 123, the other former members of that style no longer turn blue, right? But if I click on any of these other members, notice that entire style turns blue. So that's more of a visual cue that this item no longer belongs within this style. Now, to prove that to you, I'll actually add a field to the screen called Style SID, because all members of the same style share the same style SID. And you can see here, if I bring this over really quick, okay, notice that for these two members, they have the same style SID, same exact number. But for this other guy, his style SID is different. So when I broke the style and removed this item from the style, Retail Pro gave it its own style SID, its own style SID. Okay, so now we're looking at two different styles. Again, because Retail Pro needed to make sure that the style definition for all members of a given style are the same. Now, what would happen if I change this back? So I'm going to change that back, and I'll press Save. Notice what happens. Retail Pro recognizes that another style already exists with the same department code, vendor code, description 1, and is asking me if I would like to join that style, that existing style. If I say join style, notice that that item is now part of the same style, and you can see that it was given the same style SID as the others. So that's editing a style definition field. Now, what if I was editing a non-style definition field? So in this case, description 2, as an example, is not part of the style definition. So if I make a change here, let's pick another item here. Let's say here, for this suitcase trolley. So if I say here, I type in trolley, right? And I click away, notice no problems, right? I didn't get the prompts asking me if I would like to change the entire style or break the style. That's because I modified a non-style definition field. Okay, now what if I wanted this change to description 2, which is a non-style definition field, but I want it to apply to the entire style? And let's say the style had 100 different items. So I have two options. I can change each member of that style one by one by one, or I can use a button on the side menu called Update Style, which is right here. And right now it's grayed out. So let me show you. So if I type in trolley, okay, and before pressing save or before clicking away to save, the update style button comes alive. So if I press that button right now, notice, well, I sort of lost where it's at, so let me bring this back up. It just did a sorting. There it is. So notice that that change, right, applied to the entire style, all because I clicked on this update style button. So this is really a quick way to copy a change to a non-style definition field across the entire style. That's it. That's editing a style in ItemView.